been shopping a lot, right? But I'm in the era where, okay, I just graduated college. I'm a business owner now. And I need to stop wearing sweatpants, okay? I'm wearing jeans in the house. I'm wearing jewelry in the house. You would have never catch me even doing this outside, right? So the closet's a little full. You guys can probably see a little bit of that. We need to purge a little bit. This is not an important task that I need to be doing right now. There are definitely other things I need to be doing. I have company coming this weekend. I have a photo shoot this weekend, but this is what's on my mind. The outfit of the day though, while we're here, these blank NYC barrel jeans. The shape is weird, but they're so cool with the patchwork. And then I have this little muscle tank, show off my abs with or whatever. Got some Kendra Scott, and then I have like a bunch of random jewelry. Got the slick back, of course, but let's get into it. All my laundry is dirty right now, and I also didn't clean this up because I feel like whatever's still in the hangers in their spot is what we need to be looking at. So I'm not even worried about all the extra. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. We're starting with, actually pants are really easy. Let's do pants first because less overwhelming. My pants are done here. Okay. I should try these on. Guys, why do I have leather chaps in my closet? I don't even know if these fit me, but I feel like they would. And also I got them thrifted. Maybe we hold on to these. These denim skirts. Great, I just bought this one from Zara. I have a matching top. Here is where okay. Do I wear these? No. I wore this one to the club. It has a matching little top. I don't really know if I'm gonna be wearing that again anytime soon. I'll put it down. I've had these skirts for years. And when I tell you guys, I probably maybe once wore them. I just don't find myself wearing them. I don't like how I look in these skirts specifically. I don't know, there's something about it that just like makes me look like a cheerleader, which is not the vibe. So I guess we're gonna get rid of those. It feels bad. And then I have a matching top with this one. Which again is like for the club or Tinkerbell costume or something. And then this one I wore just for the vibes. I think we keep it just for the vibes. Like if I need to wear cheetah print for something, that's just being a girl. Also, the clothes that are up here are clothes that I just bought, so I need to remember that I just bought them and wear them. That's an issue if you have to do that, but that's fine. So all my black pants, I have trousers, I have black jeans that I actually really like. I got these pants from Zara. These Aritzia jeans, guys, they are the, I want to say Remy high rise or something like that. I have it in every color, you're about to find out, because they fit so perfect. These can go. I'm over it. I'm over it. It's jorts season. I've never liked denim shorts like that. I don't think, hear me out. It's getting trashy, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, Aritzia, the same pants I just showed you. I love these pants. They're like a mid-low rise. Denim Forum is what I get most of my jeans from Aritzia. These have to go. I never, ever, 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 ever reach for these. They don't fit perfect, which is all I wear these days. Okay, it's all I buy these days. Hello, literally bought these yesterday. We're done with the holes, we're done. Got these at H&M, I actually really like them. You can't tell, I've been trying to branch into cooler pants, like cooler, like more interesting looking pants. I have my white trousers, my white jeans, and then white linen pants. That was easy because I already knew what I didn't want. The shirts is where it gets really scary. And you see they're packed in there. I got the skinny hangers and everything. And that's with all my clothes being dirty. Right. Actually gonna start with another minority group, if you will, and it's dresses. How often do you guys see me wear a dress? I'm wearing this every single day. So let's scooch past all these white shirts, which I'm obviously addicted to. Okay, this irritates me so much. Beautiful dress, beautiful. Wore it one time. Look what fashion did to it. So I need to get this tailored into a different dress is what I need to do, because this dress was like $200 or $300. Yeah, which is ridiculous within itself, but it's so stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. So we're gonna keep that there. This green dress, cute, whatever, I don't know. This dress is really pretty on me, I'm not gonna lie. I've never worn this one, but I haven't really had a place to wear it, so I'm not gonna get rid. It's giving Kylie Jenner's brand. Okay, what we do need to get rid of, these Skims dresses. That era is over for us. This Depop is about to go crazy, guys. I will have all of these listed on my Depop. This Aritzia dress, she's really, really flattering. I wore this dress on New Year's. Mesh, sparkly. Here we are again with the Skims. The black one? I don't wear them. I don't wear them. Let's relax. I wore this when I graduated, and once again, this is like a really expensive dress, so I feel like we'll figure out something. I'm also not really into the boat neck, or whatever. It's not even a boat neck. That's like, I don't even know what that is. I'm not really into that. And then these I have, like, you know, for those one day a year. I have my Chiefs shirt, and then I do indeed have a Dalmatian onesie. I had to. I had to. Okay, so now we're really on to shirts. Thank goodness I do organize everything by color, by sleeve length. I always have since like 2nd, 3rd grade. But yep, let's do it. Broken Planet sweatshirt, once again. Duh. Honestly, this one can go. I've had it for a long time and I don't wear it that often. I feel like I did wear it a lot. It's from Express. It's like a knit. She's cute. I just like don't ever wear it. This is that matching top to that little skirt I showed you. It's kind of a vibe, I guess, like in the summertime. I do like this corset specifically, like for going out or whatever. This one I thrifted. And does it fit? Girl, I don't even know. Let's see if we can even put it on. Also, I would die if like this is my mom's from whenever she was younger because I thrifted it at like my hometown. Thrifting in hometowns can eat sometimes because you think it's gonna be bad, but honestly, consumerism is a lot lower in those small towns because people just don't really have the money to be shopping like that. So like that's where I got all my leather jackets. That's where I got this. Like you can actually get a lot of really good stuff there. Okay. What do we think? Okay, obviously the top or whatever. No, my hips don't fill it out because like, mind you, it's not my size. That's okay, she's gonna have to go. Wasted my money, whatever. This jacket, wore it a lot, TJ Maxx. Gray sweatshirt. I'm trying to think, do I have another gray sweatshirt? I don't think so. Sweater, both Maurizia, of course. Okay, this is where we get into those tank tops that don't fit that I was telling you about. So this is a small. I'm gonna compare and contrast to the one I said, okay, we can keep it. And this is a medium. Do you see how like, this basically turns into a bra and this one actually lays. You can totally tell that this just lays better. I think it's time to retire the Skims tank tops. They got their wear. Don't you worry about that. They don't even like look bad. Like there's nothing wrong with them. It's just they're not my size and I need to like accept that. School shirt, gray shirt, sweater. Not gonna lie, I stay wearing this underneath things because it has a built-in bra, so we keep that. Here's another one of those Skims tank tops that's just not cutting it. While it is like, oh no, like what are you gonna wear? Better clothes. Hello? Okay, gray top, gray long sleeve, whatever. See, here's that matching. The way the tag... You're kidding, Katie. Here, actually, let's just relax. I bought this a year ago and the tag is still on. Also, okay, both of these Skims shirts have to go. This green color, I don't wear. This top we keep for sure. It's the same color as my eyes. So I love wearing it like during brand deals and stuff like that. This little sweater tank, cute. I have a matching skirt to this is what I was telling you, from Zara. Love this top, also Zara. I wear it with like my jeans, it's so fun. We're just gonna let that be. I liked this bodysuit for the winter, not going out to like the clubs, but like going out to dinner or whatever underneath the jacket because it's velvety. I thought it was very festive. This holder top, she's like cute or whatever. I don't know if it's necessarily like flattering on me. Black is really harsh on me. That's why I wear white a lot. That's what most of my closet is white. So I think we need to get rid of this. This is from Free People, I want to say. The black top. Done. Get out. The Skims jumper. Okay. I think we're out of this era. We chopped off all the hair. This era's gotta go. Some people like this top. It's once again from Free People. No, from Anthropologie. Hello. The material is just not for me. This is a Skims top that I wear to the gym. But also, Katie, right. This like flex sweater, it's another one of those things that I bought and I was too hopeful. This is from Athleta. It's like a mock neck, which I don't wear mock necks. I don't like mock necks on me. I think they're so cool on everybody else. Literally brand new, never worn it. We have two black hoodies and honestly, they fit very similar. This one is really heavy and this one's really light, but we can get rid of the light one, honestly, I think. My leather jacket, and then these clothes over here aren't mine. Yes! Look at all those hangers. Okay. Pilates clothes. I stayed kept up with that one. Down here. Like, I don't even reach for sweat shorts anymore. I think we're past this, guys. I'm so serious right now. I don't think we need the dark ones. We'll keep the light ones. Okay, I also never wear these Lulu shorts. This is my first ever expensive item. I mean, yeah, let's add it to the pile. Like I said, that's actually a sick haul. Black shorts. Yeah, let's get rid of them. And then these are Gap sweatpants, which is what all my sweatpants are these days. So what else we have here? This is like swimsuits and stuff. Okay, there's a swimsuit that we should get rid of. This is so cute, but I didn't try it on. It does not fit at all. Like, I was like falling out of it, guys. It was a scary time. Okay, so I wear a size medium in the Skims top, but I used to wear a small. So I'm gonna get rid of the small Skims top. Skims triangle swimsuits, I love. So, it's not because I don't like it, it's just like not my size right now. Yeah, that's fine. The pajamas are out of control. They're actually out of control. I don't even know what I would even purge because I'm like attached. There's gotta be something I don't wear, but I don't think there is. Like I think I literally, guys, yeah, I actually really like all of these. Then this is bras, so that's literally it. That's all my clothes that are clean, which I know made this so much easier doing it right now than later. But yeah, okay, cute. We filled up a basket though. We just cleaned out my closet with Aritzia, Garage, Lululemon. What else we got in here? Levi's. Cleaned out. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. I feel so much better. I literally, when I tell you, have been thinking about this non-stop. Just because my closet has been getting so like full because I'm upgrading my style and I just keep buying more and there wasn't room for the old that I don't wear anymore. So love you guys so much. Subscribe. I'm gonna link the Depop down below or whatever I decide to sell this on. I've never sold clothes on the internet, but these are good and I feel like you guys would like that for the dedicated video. And then subscribe. Obviously, I post an acne video and then like a random video every month. I try to do a travel video every month. Love you guys. Let me know what you want to see next and I'll see you guys later.